Hello everyone. Welcome to iMobi support channel. If you need to transfer voice memos from your iOS device to computer, please just try AnyTrans. With simple clicks, you can make it. First, please launch AnyTrans. Then, connect your iOS device to the computer via the USB cable. Once your iOS device is recognized, the interface below will display. Then click More icon to unfold data category. Scroll down the left page, and you will see Voice Memos option. AnyTrans will display the total number of voice memos on the right side of the Voice Memos icon. Just take transferring voice memos from iPhone to computer as an example. After you choose the voice memos you want to transfer, please click to PC button. Once transfer process completes, you will see Transfer Completed page. Please click View Files button to locate the voice memos exported on computer.